Hello, and welcome to my tech talk on three-dimensional optical coherence tomography, or OCT, for industrial applications. My name is Nate, and I come from an OCT systems engineering background and support marketing, applications engineering, and R&D for the Axsun branded OCT laser and imaging system product line at Excelitas Technologies. In this presentation today, I'll be giving you some technical background on OCT, how it's evolved over the past few decades, and how it works to generate three-dimensional images. And then I'll provide some highlights on the use of this powerful technology in a handful of industrial applications outside of the biomedical imaging fields where OCT has traditionally been used. Finally, I'll describe some of the market-leading Axsun OCT solutions available from Excelitas. Excelitas Technologies is a global company with an impressive range of markets served using its deep portfolio of photonic technologies and products, including illumination with our LEDs, lasers, and lamps, transmission with our specialty optics coatings and assemblies, and sensing with our detectors, arrays, and analysis software. And of course, we are eager to enable new applications for our core technologies by providing customized solutions in complex system design and manufacturing. OCT was originally pioneered by several academic groups in the early 90s. It evolved from a telecom test technique for inspecting optical fibers into a two-dimensional tomographic or cross-sectional imaging tool for assessing layered structures in biological tissue, such as the retina. As such, ophthalmology became the first commercial application for OCT in the late 90s, but it was largely a niche technology due to its relatively slow imaging speed. In the early to mid-2000s, an alternative system architecture called frequency domain OCT came about by advances in line scan CCD arrays and in rapidly tuned or swept laser sources used in ss-oct, or swept source OCT. This resulted in about 100 to 1,000-fold increase in imaging speed without any major trade-offs, and OCT became a technology capable of rapidly scanning three-dimensional volumes. For the past decade, due in part to advances in commercialization of swept laser sources at Axsun, swept source OCT has gotten faster and capable of imaging wider and deeper fields of view, as well as with higher resolution and in smaller and more portable and robust packages. It's created opportunities in many other medical fields, as well as some exciting non-medical or industrial applications. Today, OCT is about 100,000 times faster than it was just 2 decades ago, and next-generation VCSEL-based swept sources continue to push the limits of speed and scanning range. OCT works by illuminating an object or sample with laser light and then collecting the backscattered light, usually via fiber optic, which then interferes with a reference beam. That interference signal is detected and digitized, and then spectral analysis is used to generate a profile of the backscattering intensity as a function of distance along the probing beam. In other words, the depth into the sample. Then, depth profiles are acquired repeatedly as the probe beam is scanned laterally across the sample to create a two-dimensional tomogram, and multiple tomograms can then be assembled into a three-dimensional data set as the beam is scanned across the third dimension. There are various methods for beam scanning in OCT, but a common one shown here is based on a dual-axis galvanometer scanner and objective lens that create a flying spot or raster pattern in the XY dimensions, while the spectral analysis of the interference signal is generating the Z dimension. Other common scan geometries are helical or cylindrical in nature, such as when scanned by a rotating fiber optic inside a borescope. Ultimately, the 3D dataset can be represented as a point cloud, as a series of cut planes, or reconstructed into a top-down view or volumetric rendering, as shown here. You can appreciate in these example images how OCT is able to characterize the thickness of multiple layers, including a thin conformal coating, as well as the metal and dielectric layers of a printed circuit board. The blue cursors on these 3 images indicate the perpendicular planes in which the other 2 images are sectioned out of the 3D volumetric dataset. By calibrating the optical scanner setup against a known reference and applying additional geometric distortion correction if necessary, high measurement accuracy on the order of tens of microns can be achieved in the XY dimension. In the Z dimension, the optical resolution is determined by the imaging laser's spectral range, and is typically less than 10 microns, but can approach 1 micron for some state-of-the-art OCT systems. With any tomographic imaging technology, there is a trade-off between resolution, or the ability to see small features, and depth of penetration, or the ability to see deep into the sample of interest. OCT fills a niche between microscopy and ultrasound, with resolution on the order of a few to 10 microns, and penetration depending largely on the transparency of the material, but usually in the range of 1 to 10 millimeters. Of course, metal is an exception, where penetration is 0, and OCT can provide only topographic or surface information. Unlike some competing modalities, OCT is non-contact and non-ionizing, and can be delivered via fiber optic into harsh environments from relatively portable and robust system hardware. Finally, since OCT is a coherent optical technique, enhanced image contrasts can be gained by further analyzing subtleties in the polarization or the phase shift of the backscattered light. Now, I'd like to highlight a handful of interesting areas where OCT is being used in industrial applications. These are, of course, only a small fraction of the existing and potential uses for OCT, but I hope it gives you a flavor of OCT's capabilities and excites you about the potential for using OCT in your specific application. Selective laser sintering is an additive manufacturing technology which uses a high-power laser to fuse particles of a metal powder, layer by layer, in order to create a three-dimensional object. As an expensive process, reducing scrap due to defects incurred during printing is critical. Even if parts cannot be recovered while printing, it's important to scrap parts before more time and materials are expended. Defects can occur from small irregularities in the metal powder bed, and thus a real-time powder bed monitoring technology is desired. OCT can characterize the powder bed and discriminate between fused and non-fused powder, as well as measure small height irregularities which can accumulate into warped parts after many layers are deposited. The OCT scanner can be attached to the recoder arm to characterize surface roughness and identify irregularities before and after a round of sintering, or the OCT beam can be integrated in line with the processing laser beam to enable keyhole depth and porosity measurement during sintering. Another area where OCT has utility in additive manufacturing is for non-destructive tomographic imaging of translucent or semi-transparent materials like polymers. We show here how a 3D OCT dataset can be used to identify subsurface defects or voids in a PLA filament extrusion part. The XY images are reconstructed at different depths corresponding to the horizontal blue cursors in the orthogonal planes. On the left, you see a section through a mostly continuous top layers, but on the right, a section through the deeper layers shows that the part contains large voids in the material which are not apparent from the exterior. OCT imaging in these circumstances could be used for material and process development, quality assurance, or avoiding scrap if defects can be identified and corrected in real time. Monitoring of the laser weld process by OCT can generate a variety of metrics that predict the quality of the weld, such as the seam profile ahead of and behind the weld, as well as the penetration depth of the keyhole during the weld. This is achieved by attaching the OCT scanning apparatus to the weld head camera port and introducing the image beam using a dichroic mirror. Measurements are available immediately, enabling welding process parameters to be tuned in real time. This is an active area of research and product development, with at least 4 companies exploring OCT-based imaging solutions for inline laser weld monitoring. Flat panel displays have many thin, transparent, and functionalized layers stacked into a few millimeter thickness, making OCT an ideal tool for inspection. The OCT-based 3D metrology shown here is for an e-ink display, where one can clearly visualize the layer thickness, adhesion, and potentially defects. Interestingly, because OCT is also sensitive to Doppler shifts, it can be used to make functional measurements, like sensing the motion of charged pigment microcapsules as they move between electrodes to change the display contents. OCT's cross-sectioning ability make it a promising tool to perform 100% inspection on thin films and coatings as an alternative to random and destructive point sampling. Some examples shown here include automotive paint or the conformal coatings used to protect printed circuit boards. In these applications, the thickness and continuity of the coating is often critical for longevity, and surface defects can shorten the time to failure. OCT can even detect metal corrosion below the surface of a coating. The thickness and continuity of coatings deposited on pharmaceutical tablets or capsules can affect a variety of functions, such as for timed release products. OCT is used for tablet inspection at several phases of pharmaceutical research and process development, as well as production quality control of both pills and the blister packs they use to package them. I've highlighted several applications using OCT for its ability to measure thin layers on the micron to millimeter scale, but it also has some important advantages in three-dimensional scanning and metrology of larger objects and scenes. By trading off some resolution for increased ranging depth, one can achieve a short-range LiDAR scan over distances of multiple meters using next-generation VCSEL-based swept sources. Some advantages of swept source OCT technology include insensitivity to surface finish, which can be problematic for triangulation-based scanners, insensitivity to lighting conditions, which can be problematic for structured illumination and photographic scanners, and higher resolution and accuracy than time-of-flight laser scanners. Finally, it's even possible to replace a mechanical galvo scanner with a diffraction grating and use the fast spectral sweeping nature of the laser source to scan the probe beam laterally in one of the raster scan directions. Axsun was founded in 1998 with a telecommunications pedigree and was acquired by Excelitas in 2019. Axsun's core technology begins at the wafer scale with unique optical and optoelectronic building blocks, such as our MEMS-based tunable Fabry-Pro filter, microlenses, and semiconductor amplifiers. Components are assembled onto optical systems, such as an OCT laser, on a temperature-controlled bench the size of a thumbnail, and then actively aligned to submicron precision using a proprietary robotic system and plastically deformable alignment mounts that can provide multiple degrees of freedom. Wires and fiber optics are connected, and the optical bench is enclosed in a butterfly package and hermetically sealed before integration with driver electronics and final calibration. This core technology enables highly robust, flexible, and modular platform on which Axsun creates numerous types of optical systems vertically integrated under one roof outside Boston, Massachusetts. Axsun swept source OCT lasers lead the market in the primary medical imaging applications of OCT, and the customers we serve include leading system manufacturers in medical imaging, industrial process control, and petroleum markets. We produce thousands of OCT lasers annually, and this core platform technology and our experienced engineering team allows us to scale rapidly for new customers coming online with new applications. Excelitas supplies a large catalog of swept source OCT products via its Axsun brand. These range from compact swept laser subcomponents to custom data acquisition and processing electronics to integrated imaging solutions that are adaptable in a plug-and-play fashion to a variety of application-specific scanners. Axsun products are supplied in an OEM fashion and with a wide menu of options for system integrators to pair with their own components, software, and systems, depending on the application's requirements and the imaging expertise of the customer's engineering team. The basic level is the swept laser, itself about the size of a postage stamp, built using the Axsun micro-optical assembly platform, plus its driver electronics in a compact package about the size of a deck of cards. Additional components can be optionally built into a slightly larger package, including such necessary OCT system components as fiber interferometers, photoreceivers, delay lines and attenuators, and even a purpose-built digitizer board, which not only captures the raw OCT signals, but also processes them into useful images, compresses, and transmits them to a host computer via gigabit Ethernet. This enables cost-effective remote and distributed OCT system architectures which are cumbersome to realize using traditional workstation-based approaches. The fully integrated OCT imaging engine shown on the right is still less than the size of a cigar box and can easily be paired with a tablet PC to realize a highly portable and battery-powered imaging and inspection system. Cutting-edge laser performance is available across several spectral ranges, which is important because the achieved resolution and penetration depth performance for a given type of sample can depend significantly on the spectral range being used. Axsun laser products, built on our core micro-optical assembly technology and MEMS-tunable filters, have logged billions of operating hours and are supported by a team with decades of experience in laser and OCT system technology. In summary, OCT, and in particular swept source OCT, has many desirable attributes for a variety of industrial imaging and inspection applications. Its high resolution enables accurate measurement of features on the micron scale and is particularly well suited for characterization of subsurface layers in transparent or semi-transparent materials. Its high speed and potential for distributed system architectures can enable comprehensive inline inspection for quality control in a production environment, and its sensitivity to phase and polarization can provide additional functional or dynamic information which is not typically available from non-coherent imaging methods. We hope you'll reach out to inquire about how Excelitas can help facilitate your new applications and ideas using our large portfolio of OCT products and OCT system integration expertise. Thank you for attending this Tech Talk. For inquiries, please contact us via our website at excelitas.com.